Sloths are unique, tree-dwelling mammals native to Central and South America. They are best known for their slow pace and relaxed lifestyle. Sloths are medium-sized mammals, with adult sloths typically ranging from 50 to 80 centimeters in length, excluding the tail. They can weigh between 3 to 5 kilograms, though larger species may weigh up to 8 kilograms. Sloths have long, curved claws about 3 inches long that they use for gripping tree branches. These claws allow them to hang upside down for long periods, which is their preferred mode of movement. They have 3 or 4 toes on their limbs, depending on the species. Sloths have thick, long fur, which grows in the opposite direction of most mammals, from the belly to the back. This helps rainwater to run off their fur. Their fur also hosts algae, giving them a greenish tint and providing camouflage in the forest canopy. Sloths are famous for their slow movements. This sluggishness is a result of their low metabolic rate and energy-efficient lifestyle. Sloths move only about 1 to 2 meters per minute, making them one of the slowest moving mammals in the world. Sloths are excellent climbers, spending most of their lives in the trees. They can use their claws to hang from branches or move slowly across them. They rarely descend to the ground, and when they do, they are extremely vulnerable. Sloths sleep a lot, up to 20 hours a day, making them one of the sleepiest animals. This deep sleep helps conserve energy because they have a very low-calorie diet. Sloths are herbivores and primarily eat leaves, which are low in nutrients. Their digestive systems are slow, taking up to a month to fully process their food. To help with digestion, sloths have a specialized stomach with multiple chambers, similar to ruminants like cows. Sloths tend to feed on leaves from trees like Scropia, and they occasionally eat fruits, flowers, and buds. Their diet is low in protein and fat, contributing to their lethargy. There are 2 main types of sloths, 2-toed sloths and 3-toed sloths. Both types belong to the family Bradypodidae, but they belong to different genera. The 2-toed sloths are larger and more active than their 3-toed relatives. They are also less social and are typically solitary. They have a more varied diet, including some insects and small vertebrates. The 3-toed sloths are smaller and have more specialized adaptations for tree-dwelling life. They are much more slow-moving than the 2-toed variety and have a more restricted diet, primarily consisting of leaves. Sloths are solitary creatures, but during the breeding season, males may vocalize loudly to attract females. The mating process can take place both on the ground and in the trees. Female sloths have a long gestation period, lasting between 6 months to 12 months, depending on the species. The young are born in trees and are cared for by the mother. Sloths live around 20-30 years in the wild, though their slow-moving lifestyle and relatively few natural predators help them survive. The sloth's low metabolic rate helps it survive on a diet of tough, fibrous leaves, which provide minimal energy. This also explains their slow movement and long sleep periods. The greenish hue from the algae that grow on their fur helps them blend into the canopy, which can protect them from predators like harpy eagles. Their hearts are unusually large, and they have a slower heart rate than many other animals, which allows them to conserve energy. The primary predators of sloths include jaguars, ocelots, and harpy eagles. However, due to their slow movements and the protective cover of trees, sloths are not always easy to catch. Deforestation is a significant threat to sloths, as their tree-dwelling lifestyle depends on the dense rainforests of Central and South America. Habitat destruction, along with illegal pet trade and road traffic, has contributed to the decline of some sloth species. Sloths have one of the slowest metabolisms of any mammal. This helps them survive on a poor diet of leaves but means they expend very little energy. Sloths are silent climbers due to their unique, specialized limbs, which allow them to move without making much noise. This helps them evade predators. Although sloths are usually solitary, some species do exhibit social behaviors in limited circumstances, like sharing a tree or engaging in social interactions during the breeding season. Sloths are one of nature's most fascinating creatures, with their slow, methodical way of life and highly specialized biological features. They play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems in which they live, especially through their interactions with trees and the various organisms that live in their fur. Thanks for watching. This video was created by Mastermind Programmers for School Students.